Dressing in layers, a simple guide for staying comfortable. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very useful and practical phrase, dress in layers. This is a common suggestion you might hear, especially in places with variable weather. Understanding this phrase not only helps in daily conversations but also in making practical decisions about clothing. Let's dive in. Dressing in layers refers to wearing multiple layers of clothing, one on top of the other. Each layer serves a specific purpose. The idea is to provide flexibility and comfort in different weather conditions. By adding or removing layers, you can easily adjust to changes in temperature and activity level. Base layer. The base layer is the first layer that sits directly on your skin. It's primarily designed to keep you dry by wicking away sweat. Materials like polyester or merino wool are great for base layers. Middle layer. The middle layer is all about insulation. It traps body heat to keep you warm. Common materials for this layer include fleece, down, or synthetic insulations. Outer layer. The outermost layer, often called the shell layer, protects you from wind, rain, or snow. It's usually waterproof or water-resistant. Materials like Gore-Tex are popular for the outer layer. Dressing in layers offers versatility and control. It allows you to adapt to changing weather, which is crucial in outdoor activities. For example, you might start a hike in cool weather needing all layers but peel them off as you warm up or the day heats up. Choose materials that wick moisture, provide insulation, and protect from elements. Ensure layers are comfortable and not too tight, allowing movement and circulation. Consider the specific climate and activity you're preparing for. I hope this explanation clarifies what dress in layers means and why it's such useful advice. Remember, the key is to stay comfortable by adjusting your layers according to your environment and activity. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English learning tips.